Oop, they're eating. Okay, I thought just one flew away. Let me get a closer look. Okay, I see both of them, and they just flew off. Here's the last one right there. Oh, the other one just flew off. Look at this. He came back. He probably came to hang out. And one just flew off and he's gone. And the other one just is right here. Hello. Hey, wow, that scared me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Sorry for not posting on my animal channel for a while. It's been a few months because I ran out of ideas. But hope you guys enjoyed seeing the birds. So see you in the next one. Peace.